All right, welcome back, my dear students. I hope you guys are having a lot of fun. I know this is pretty exciting. When I was first learning it, I was really excited because it just opened doors to a whole new world, okay, of building applications and focusing on the your creativity, focusing on the application itself instead of all the functionalities, right? Instead of the complexity, because Laravel makes it really easy. But anyway, on this lecture, we're gonna learn how to delete data. All right, so we already know how to do that, but let's actually do it with a form, which is different. Okay, so if you're taking any of my courses or some other courses online with procedural PHP and some of the other applications, when we delete stuff, sometimes we put the ID on top, right? That's not a very good idea. All right, so on this case, we're gonna do this as a post met request, actually a delete request with Laravel. So as you can see right here on your route list, when we destroy an object or destroy a record, we use the delete method. And this uses, of course, post, but we get the hidden field as well with Laravel as a delete. So that way we can send that data securely. Okay, so let's go back to our controller real quick. And the destroy is very similar to the edit and the update. We find the record, so we just find it, and don't be lazy like me, like I did right now. All right, just write it down. Okay, and once we find it, we just go ahead and delete it. Simple as that. And if you want to just delete certain things, of course you can put the where method in here. Okay, and then you just return the redirect, guys. Super simple. I don't have to even tell you how to do that one. Okay, and we're gonna delete to post, I mean redirect. Okay, you can also do this here. Okay, you can do this where ID equals this, you just delete it. That's it. So you can save a couple lines of code there. All right, cool stuff. And you can also chain that up here as well. Okay, you can make this very you know not with many lines. Okay. All right, cool. So let's go and try to update this, delete this. Oh, by the way, we need to create a form. I almost forgot. So let's go to our edit form and let's just leave it like this. Let's create another form right here. All right. And this is going to have an action of, let's just check it out real quick. All right. The destroy, same thing as as the edit. So we're going to have, let's just take this out of here. This small resolution here is killing me, guys. It's killing me. So post, and then we'll pass the ID here. All right. We'll have an input very similar to the one we have on top, because we need to tell Laravel that this is going to be a delete method instead. The name is going to be method, and the value is where we put the delete, like this, delete. All right, and we need our input submit, and let's just create a value here that would say like delete, so that way we know it's deleting. And let's change the value on this submit here to say something like update. All right, cool. So I think we're making progress here. Let's check it out real quick and see if it works. Okay, let's click there, updated PHP. Let's update it. It's updated. Let's go back and delete it. Oops. Okay. Make sure that your form, all right, has the method post here. If it doesn't, it's gonna think that it's a get request, and we don't want that, right? So post. Even though you're still declaring this in Laravel here, all right, as delete, you still have to send a post, because this is what the browser recognizes. Okay, that's the only thing the browser recognizes, the post and the get. So let's go back here, refresh, let's delete it, and as you can see, it's deleted. Let's delete this one too. Delete it. Okay. Of course, we can create it. Java updated. Java 2. Enter. There we go. Delete it. Beautiful. All right. So anyway, thank you so much. I hope you learned a lot on this couple lectures with the forms. We're going to continue with some other forms functionality so that way you learn how to validate and create more advanced stuff. It was a pleasure like always, and I see you in the next lecture.